Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp web is not working on PC. So the first step, you simply need to click on three dots on the top right and click on settings. From here you need to click on privacy and security and click on clear browsing data, and you must include cache image and file, and after that you need to clear your data. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back, and the second step, you simply need to click on reset settings, and here you can see restore settings to their original one, and then you need to click on reset settings. Once you've done that, you simply need to check that is your Chrome is updated or not, and now you need to click on about Chrome, and you can simply you consider it is updating Chrome, so you need to wait for few seconds if there is any update. And here you can see that wait for few seconds and the Chrome will be updated in few seconds. So now you can see that it is 100% completed, and it will be complete in few seconds here. And once that step is completed, you simply need to go back. Here you can see that, and open WhatsApp web, and open WhatsApp web. So now you can see that WhatsApp working web is working fine on my PC. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.